Hello guys, last week we have ordered for our new slingshot for hunting, and today this slingshot arrived. Now let's see what we have got in this new box. So let's start and open our slingshot box which come from China. I'm going to open with my sharp knife. Let's start.
Dun, 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 dun. Wow!
It will little bit hard. Let me see what's inside in it. Let's start it. Let me open it slowly. Wow, the box is full of new things. Let me see what's inside in it. This is a pocket of small balls. I think it is made from mud. Let me see. Let me see some of them. What is yes, it is very special one, round one, and you can see it is made from mud. So let me see the another pocket what it have. This one is I think the same one, and I think it is something like 70 to 80 small balls. Now two of them. Now the third one is this one. This one is steel. So if someone want to shoot it for a long distance, so that he can use this steel one. And if you want to try for a short distance, you can use this mud one. Now let me see what's the another one. What is this? I think this one is just for I think this is for a laser. Yeah, you can use a laser inside in it. And this one is level, so you can adjust your slingshot to level it when you are going for shooting. And this tool is used to adjust your screws on your slingshot. Let's see what's how we can do it. Now we have two rubber bands. I think two. Yes, two. It's two. Yes, we have two rubber bands, and this one. What's this? This one is. I think this one is magnet. So we have one magnet. You can see we have one magnet which we can use for the balls. You can see, but this one is not that much strong, but it is enough. You can magnet it 5 to 7 balls. And we have two screws, two tools for screws. And what's this? This is the laser, yeah, which I told you before, that this is for a laser. You can use this laser light for hunting, and you can adjust it like this when you are going for a hunting. You can see its range is very good one. So this is one laser, and the next one is, let me see the next one. No, this is just your this is just how to short it. This is the short for your aim your shot. You can use this one. You can hang it with a wall, and then you can shoot it with the balls. Now let me see the next one is yes, this is the important thing about which we are talking. This is my slingshot. You can see it have very nice handle, and the material, and this is made from plastic, and this is very good one for the initial one. So we can use it, but let's see. First we are going to assemble it, and we can start it from a rubber band, and we can adjust it. First you need how to you need first to lose these screws, and then you have to push the screw little bit forward. When you push it, the mouth of the tool is open, and then you can push your rubber band inside in it. And when you do it, and then you can release the screw, and the mouth will be adjusted, and then you can screw it hard so that it can be stuck well. Now the same thing you can do it with the other side. For the other side, you again push the rubber band inside in it, and when you feel it is fully inside, you can see the level is okay. So then release the screw and then screw it hard. So when you screw it hard, then you can see our first step is performed, and you can see how level it is, because you can check it from the pouch that the pouch both sides are leveled, and now our slingshot is ready to fire. But before this, we should adjust our level. So you can adjust we have two things. On one side we are going to adjust the level, and here it goes smoothly, and we have to push it by finger. So when yes, now the level is adjusted. On other side we are going to use the laser one, and here it goes the laser side. Yes, now from here you can see the both things are okay now. And here we are going to use, where is my laser? Yes, just here is the laser. And for the laser, when you put the laser here, and let me see, is there any screw for a laser? Yes, they have sent one screw for a laser, a small one. You can see it says it is the small one, so that you can adjust it in this hole. You can see from yes, so that the yeah, you can screw it with a screw tool, and so that when you use the laser, it should not slip from the hole, and the laser will be tight. Now you can see, now my laser is adjusted, and I can open on my laser for my shot. Yeah, you can see it, the laser light on a wall, you see. Now let's start from our first shot. Let's check